If you frequently visit the same websites, enabling the Bookmarks bar can save you a lot of time. Instead of typing website addresses or searching through your Bookmarks menu, your favorite sites will always be just one click away. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the Bookmarks bar in Opera GX. Let's get started. First, open Opera GX on your computer. Now click the Opera GX logo in the top left corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings. You can also press Alt+P to open Settings instantly. Once you're inside Settings, use the search box at the top and type Bookmarks bar. This will take you directly to the correct setting. Look for the option called Show Bookmarks bar. Turn the toggle on. As soon as you enable it, the Bookmarks bar will appear directly below the address bar. If you've already saved bookmarks, you'll see them immediately. If not, you can start adding your favorite websites and folders to make them easier to access. There's also a much faster method that many Opera GX users prefer. Simply press Ctrl+Shift+B on your keyboard, or if you are still in Settings, look for Bookmarks at the top and click it. The keyboard shortcut instantly gets you there, and you can enable or disable Bookmarks bar quickly. It's especially useful if you like switching between a clean browsing layout and a productivity-focused setup. Once enabled, the Bookmarks bar provides one-click access to your most important websites, making navigation faster and more convenient. And that's it! You've successfully enabled the Bookmarks bar in Opera GX. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Opera GX tutorials, browser customization guides, gaming browser tips, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.